Viewers, today we are reviewing some of the best 3D pens available in the market. We have selected these products according to their price, durability, and user satisfaction. Check the description box below for more information about the listed products. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more product reviews. On number 4 we have 3Doodler Super 3D Pen. He world's first in a 3D printing device. Featuring improved power, durability and reliability for a superior doodling experience. You can just plug the 3D pen and insert 3Doodler Create plastic, wait for the 3D pen to heat up, and then you're good to extrude. This 3D pen comes packed with 15 different colors of 3Doodler Create plastic refills and a comprehensive activity guidebook. This Doodle for Hours comes with this 3Doodler booklet that has a wide variety of creatives project templates for you to make. On number 3 we have 3Doodler Super 3D Pen. It comes with the new 3Doodler Start. Your creative kids can finally bring all of their wonderful and imaginative ideas to life in 3D. This kid-safe 3D printing pen melts plastic that cools and hardens rapidly, allowing kids to literally draw in the air. The 3Doodler Start develops an open-ended approach in teaching how to draw in 3D, making it more and more active and rigorous activity for students. You can drawing in 3D presents difficult concepts visually and easier to understand. The 3Doodler Start can help encourage creative endeavor and keep your child entertained at home for hours. On number 2 we have Mint 3D Super 3D Pen. The basic 3D pen offers a user-friendly entry into the world of 3D art for those not needing advanced features. At Mint 3D we combine visionary engineering with cutting-edge manufacturing to bring you innovative products that are built to tolerate a lifetime of use. It has overbuilt from the highest quality environment-first materials. On number 1 we have Mint 3D Super 3D Pen. This 3D pen is designed specifically for kids with easy-to-grasp ergonomic design and low-temperature nozzle that won't burn young hands. It comes Junior 2 is updated with the same sealed nozzle design. As more advanced Mint 3D pens to stop clogs and provide countless hours of enjoyment and learning. The Mint 3D Junior is shaped to be the perfect size and shape for smaller hands for hours of fun and entertainment. Hope this review helps you to finalize product according to your need.